the citric acid cycle, an amphibolic pathway in the metabolism. This pathway is common in the oxidation of carbohydrate, lipid, and protein. As we know that glycolysis converts glucose into two molecules of pyruvate. Here we will see the cycle only on the single molecule of pyruvate. Then in the first step, the pyruvate dehydrogenase first converts into acetyl coenzyme A. In the presence of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase, this enzyme requires coenzyme A, NAD, and 3 more coenzymes like TPP, thymine pyrophosphate, FAD, and lipoate, and forms NADH plus H positive. So in the entry point in the Krebs cycle is the acetyl coenzyme A. It is also formed from the beta oxidation of fatty acids. First we see the first step in the citric acid cycle is the formation of citrate. When acetyl coenzyme A and oxaloacetate condense, the acetyl group from the acetyl coenzyme A is transferred to the oxaloacetate. Coenzyme A is removed in the presence of enzyme citrate synthase. Why this enzyme is citrate synthase, not the synthetase? Because ATP is not involved in this process. In the second step, there is conversion of citrate into isocitrate by an intermediate cis-aconitase. The enzyme aconitase causes the isomerization of citrate into isocitrate. In two-step process, the dehydration and rehydration, the group removes and the isocitrate is formed in the next step. In the third step, as we see, the third step is oxidative decarboxylation. CO2 is removed, so it is the decarboxylation. Hydrogen ion removed, which are accepted by NAD and conversion into NADH plus H positive. So this reaction is a type of oxidative phosphorylation, and the name of enzyme is isocitrate dehydrogenase. As we know, where there is involvement of NAD, FADH2, the removal of hydrogen, the enzyme always is known as dehydrogenase and the substrate name is isocitrate. So name of the enzyme is isocitrate dehydrogenase. And we form the product alpha ketoglutarate. Product is alpha ketoglutarate. This CO2 is removed. Again, the reaction is the oxidative decarboxylation. The enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase removes CO2. There is entry of coenzyme A, and NAD positive accepts the electron removed from it. So the formation of NADH plus H positive takes place again here. So alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase again causes the reaction of oxidative decarboxylation, and the product is known as succinyl coenzyme A by the entry of coenzyme A. In the next step, which is the fifth step, the conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinate. There are many important features. Succinyl coenzyme synthetase. There is entry of inorganic phosphate and GTP to form the GTP. There is removal of coenzyme A and the formation of succinate takes place in this step. In the sixth step, there is oxidation of succinate to fumarate. The removal of hydrogen ions. The enzyme succinate dehydrogenase is a specific enzyme that it is membrane bound enzyme and it is bind to the inner membrane of mitochondria. So protons are accepted by FAD and FADH2, the reducing power is formed and the succinate is oxidized to fumarate. Next, the fumarate is hydrated to malate. The entry of water in the presence of fumarase. Water enters here and forms H and OH are taken by fumarate and malate is formed. Again, there is oxidation of malate to oxaloacetate, the entry point of citric acid cycle, and the formation of NAD positive to NADH plus H positive by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. So as we see in these 8 steps, these 3 steps, step number 3, step number 4 and step number 8 generates 3 NADH and 1 FADH2 and 1 GTP. As we know, the NADH gives 3 ATP when these NADH goes in ETS and FADH2 gives 2 ATP. Then 3 multiplied by 3, there is a 9 ATP are formed from the NADH, 2 ATP are formed from the FADH2 and 1 this ATP. So in the one cycle, when entry of 1 acetyl coenzyme A in this cycle of the matrix of mitochondria, when ETS goes on, 12 molecules are formed, but we know 1 glucose molecules give 2 pyruvate molecules and 2 acetyl coenzyme A molecules are formed. So 2 acetyl coenzyme A molecule of glucose, they are formed by glycolysis, they gives 24 ATP molecules. These 24, here 2 NADH form because 2 pyruvate are converted to acetyl coenzyme A. These 24 plus these 6 ATP, 2 NADH multiplied by 3, then the 6 ATP and glycolysis yields 2 ATP and 2 NADH which are multiplied by 3 and they gives total 8 ATP in the glycolysis when ETS are formed. Then this the total is 38 ATP are formed after the aerobic respiration. So students, this was Krebs cycle, also known as the tricarboxylic acid cycle, and on the name of the product it is also known as citric acid cycle. Thank you.